How do I file a tax extension on TaxAct? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up any web browser and go to taxact.com. On this web page, click on the sign in option. Then enter your username. After that, enter your password on this sign-in portal. Once you have entered both the details, click on Agree and Sign In option. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to click on the option where you can file for an tax extension. This is going to be labeled as File Extension. Click on that option. Then follow the prompts to enter the required information, including your personal details, social security number, and any other relevant information. You will be asked to estimate your tax liability for the year. It is important to make as accurate estimate as possible to avoid penalties. Once you have entered all the information, review it. Then submit your extension request. If you owe taxes, keep in mind that filing for an extension does not extend the time to pay any taxes due. You may need to make an estimated payment at the time of filing for the extension to avoid penalties and interest. After submitting your extension request, TaxAct should provide you with a confirmation that your extension has been filed successfully. Be sure to keep this confirmation for your records. If you face any difficulty during this process, contact the customer support of TaxAct. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.